If you ever dreamed about giving up smoking, this is an amazing opportunity to do it, because while you're here you never think about it. But you should start before you arrive. So that's the tough part, is the 5 days before you come. Come for 10 days, not 7 days the first time. Do everything, make a total psychological commitment. Try everything. Try the yoga. I never tried yoga before. Now I'm pretty cool with it. So yeah, really go for it, and you will be very surprised and impressed yourself by the benefits which you achieve from it. Healthy breakfast now every morning, healthy lunch every day, but in the evening I'm still eating like a king. So I didn't change everything, and I'm Scottish, so I still drink, so I didn't do that, and I still eat meat. So, but I probably changed about 50% of my diet. The benefit of that is significant. And my recovery rate, and the recovery rate is how much sleep I need less, how much work I can do. I have a greater energy for work, so there's a lot of additional benefits. So I can make the time by being more productive. The primary reason for coming here is not to lose weight. The primary reason for coming here is changing lifestyle, is reducing stress, is getting healthier, is exercising. The losing weight is a significant bonus, but it's not the reason for coming, because you'll just put it back on again if you don't do the other things. So why come then?